Welcome back, everyone. This is Bronx Lock Picker 60. The lock I have for you today is an unbranded Schlage Style Keyway, and it was sent to me and pinned by Bobby Keyz, and the key is mummied, and it will remain that way unless I need to get into the lock. Bobby, thanks a lot for this lock and all the goodies that you put in that box for me. Really love it, man. Greatly appreciate it, man. Alright, it's a 5 pinner, so let's start. Pin 1. That's 2. Alright, that was 4. And it opened on 2. Alright, let me swing the light over. Okay, cool. Alright, sorry about that. And this little bad boy was included in the package he sent me. Thanks for this, Bobby. Oh, come on. Cool. That. Yeah. Well, so much for leaving the key mummied. That's right. Okay. Alright. I am not prepared. Give me a second. Need to get a shim. Alright, sorry about that. Don't know what he put in this, you know? Okay. Come on. Maybe not. All right. Cool. And as you can see, the pins work nicely. Come on, baby. There you go. Nicely. And they're all below the shear line. And there's some threading on all of them. Looks like number 4 has a small diameter on top, but we shall see what they look like. Let me turn them around. back up some. Okay. Let me pull these out and we'll get a nice close look at them. A wafer. G-pin looks like. Give me a second here. And from what I see, there's nothing done to the Bible. See what time. Oh yeah, got plenty of time. See if I can pull these springs out. Alright. Oh, there it is. Looks like a steel pen. Or a spring, I should say. Same with number 2. Number 3 looks like brass, copper, and that family. I want to see why red eye doesn't mess with springs. Alright, can't get that out. So number 4, it looked like it was steel. And number 5 looks like brass. Alright. You don't want to focus. That's going to make it worse. Okay. Alright, let's go like this. Ah, crap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, cool. Alright, number 1. Key pen is nicely serrated. Nice tight serrations. The top is a deep spool with a sharp, very sharp top there. Key pen here is a spool, and again, nice and sharp to catch on those serrations. And driver pen is a drunken spool. Okay. Number 3 is a spool and serration with a pin and pin. And the outer, the cover of the pin and pin is serrated. Okay, and you got the key pin here is serrated and also a T-pin. And you got a spool. It also looks like a wedding cake type thing going on in the center there. And a double spool for the key pin here. And a bunch of serrations. Cool. Alright, well, thank you for joining me in this adventure here. Bobby Keyz, thank you for this lock and all the other locks you sent me. Great job on this, man. Just keep up that good work that you're doing. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Like and share. And as always, stay calm and pick on. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.